Well, if you feel like 2020 aged you 10 years, you are not alone. More people are considering plastic surgery. That's a growing trend in the Bay Area and beyond. Tonight, KPIX 5's Betty Yu shows us why remote work is driving more people to undergo cosmetic surgery.
It's called the Zoom boom. Hours of seeing ourselves on video calls have made certain features more prominent and bothersome. As a result, plastic surgeons are seeing a surge in treatments.
For me, it's the little wrinkles there, the little dark circles under my eyes, and so it was timed.
Abby Evangelista found herself in hours-long Zoom meetings and virtual family parties more than ever during the pandemic. The 39-year-old Kaiser nurse and mom of three said seeing herself on camera magnified her imperfections.
When I'm done, I'm super excited at the results. And you look better, you look fresh, you look bright, and you feel new. And so this boosts your energy, your confidence.
The San Mateo resident is not alone in craving an upgrade to her appearance and mood. Plastic surgeons across the country are seeing an uptick in patients, particularly those who want work from the neck up.
People are starting to notice little imperfections. They find themselves looking at their own photo as opposed to the people they're talking to. And I think the other thing is that when you see yourself on camera, especially if the camera is close to you, there's a distortion effect.
Facial plastic surgeon Dr. Umang Mehta says he's performed more rhinoplasties during the pandemic than ever before. His calendar is so full, surgery dates are being scheduled well into the spring. Botox and facial fillers are the most popular quick fixes at his Atherton practice. After a 2-month closure due to COVID restrictions, his office reopened with boosted safety protocols and staggered appointments to avoid any patient overlap.
And I think they're taking advantage of the fact that they're working from home, so if they happen to get a little bruise or they're a little swollen, they don't have to be at the office the next day.
Abby's Dr. Gabriel Chu says since the pandemic, the number of consultations and demand for work has more than doubled at his practice in Beverly Hills. He's seeing more first-timers and people willing to consider more intensive procedures.
I have patients who kind of take advantage of this and look and see like, hey, wait a second. Nobody has to see the rest of my body, and maybe it's time I go ahead and take care of some of those things on my wish list.
Plastic surgeons are also finding that patients have more cash on hand, since many did not splurge on travel and entertainment during COVID. In Atherton, Betty Yu, KPIX 5.